Hey, today I'll show you how to add captions to a video, how to add subtitles to a video, and we'll be using CapCut for this tutorial. Maybe you're asking why CapCut? Because CapCut it's free. You can download it for free. If you go to CapCut.com, okay, you press on this button and it will start to download right away. Although it has a lot of paid options, do not worry, you can still manage the work with the free features which you have inside CapCut. Okay, so once you downloaded and installed the CapCut and you added the video inside, let's add it on the timeline and just look at this magic. Okay, you don't have to write them manually. CapCut will do most work for you. So this video, it's edited, it's cutted. All I have to do is add the captions, the subtitles, and that's it. Okay, so I will go to text. Then press here on auto captions and you can press on generate. Let's wait for the CapCut to do the work for us, and you will have to do the minimal work. As I told you, it already generated all the captions for us. Let's hit play and have a look, but they are white and they are kind of hard to read. Hey, okay? Today I'll show you how to enable or disable the dark mode whenever you want in Google Chrome. So that being said, they are hard to read, and also this is a very basic font. It's boring. So what you have to do once you generated the captions, select one captions randomly, then this menu will pop up. Go to templates, and from here you can choose a template for your captions. The one with pros in the corner are paid captions. Let's use some captions which are free. Okay, I think I found one. Let's try this one. I just selected that and let's hit play. Hey, today I'll show you how to enable or disable the dark mode whenever you want in Google Chrome. So that better than before, but I still don't like it. Okay, I found one, and this one can be read on a white background. Hey, today I'll show you how to enable or disable the dark mode whenever. Pretty decent. Okay, so how can we correct some words? Because sometimes, as I told you, CapCut will do mistakes. Just select one of the captions, then go to captions here, and now I can see all of them. And if I hit play, I can stop the video whenever I want. And if I want to correct some words, I can double click on the word, write something, and after that hit play. So this word was correct and we can hit play. Hey, today I'll show you how to enable or disable the dark mode whenever you want in Google Chrome. So let me have a look on the whole video, and after that I'll get to you. So assuming you're done, you have to press on export here from the top right corner, and I used auto-generated captions, but I still have like 5 free uses per month. So let's press on try for free, and I will have to sign in into my account. If you don't have one, you can create one really quick. So let me create an account really quick, and I'll get back to you. Alright, I think I signed in into my account. I just created one. Alright, let's try now to press on export, and now press on try for free. Alright, and I want to export this video on my desktop. Okay, it's alright. The resolution 1080p, bitrate, the higher, the codec H.264, format MP4, frame rate 60 FPS, right? Okay, and I think these are all the settings which I want. Let's press on export and have a look on the video. Okay. Hey, today I'll show you how to enable or disable the dark mode whenever you want in Google Chrome. So that being said, let's see how. And I have the captions exactly as I wanted them to be, and I have the video exported. So I really hope I help you with this tutorial how to add captions, subtitles to a video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a great day.